we are going to focus on the silent, sneaky E syllable, which is a long vowel syllable. But first, I'm just going to review briefly what we covered in part 1 and part 2 of the syllable video series. Okay, so what is a syllable? If you forget, a syllable is a part of the word that contains the vowel sound. It's sort of like the beat of a song. Okay, a syllable is when your mouth comes open in a word to make a vowel sound. So every word has to have at least one syllable, and every syllable has to have at least one vowel sound. So if you have one syllable, your mouth will come open one time to make the syllable sound. How many types of syllables are there? And what are the types of syllables? So we talked about our one and only and most popular type of syllable, the closed syllable, which has a short vowel sound, and it has the spelling pattern where there's one vowel closed in by one or more consonants. Okay, so we talked about closed, which are short vowel sound. And we talked about open syllables in our second video, part 2. Open syllables are words or syllables that have one single long vowel sound at the end of the syllable with nothing closing in that vowel, making it open and long. Remember, long vowels say their name. Today, we will be focusing on our third syllable type, which is the vowel consonant E syllable, also known as silent E, silent sneaky E, ninja E, or even magic E. There are other types that we will focus more on in our next few videos, like our fourth type, our bossy R, or the R-controlled syllables, vowel teams, which can be predictable long vowel teams, unpredictable vowel teams, or diphthongs. And last, we will focus on consonant LE syllables, which are only found in words that have more than one syllable. And I will also focus later on, in the later part of the video series, on how to decode or break apart a multisyllabic word into syllables and then blend those syllables together to read that big, long multisyllabic word. Okay, so today's video will focus on our yellow syllable type here, vowel consonant E. Remember, it's important to know the syllable types and the vowel sound for each of the 6 types of syllables so that you know how to read and spell longer words, which again are called those multisyllabic words, like this word, tyrannosaurus. Okay, since I know my syllable types and the vowel sound that each one makes, I'm able to break this big long word into syllables and blend it together to say the whole thing. Tyrannosaurus. Okay, so we're going to skip to our vowel consonant E, or silent sneaky E syllable type, also known as magic E. A vowel consonant E, or vowel consonant E syllable, is also called the silent sneaky E, or magic E, and I will show you why in a moment. Most of the time, the syllable has a long vowel pattern. Okay, unless we're talking about sight words, the vowel sound is going to be long. Remember, long vowels say their name. So A says A, I says I, O says O. What does U say? U or oo, and E says E. Good. So the vowel, this little dash means consonant, the vowel consonant silent E pattern is when you have one vowel followed by only one consonant followed by E. So it has to have one vowel, one consonant, E. Again, one vowel, one consonant, E. To determine, which means to figure out, if a syllable has the vowel consonant E pattern, you point to the vowel or vowels in a syllable and you ask yourself, do I have one vowel? If the answer is no, then go on to the next question. So do I have one vowel? No. Do I have two vowels? If the answer is yes to the second question, ask the next one. Okay, so if you have two vowels, ask yourself, do the two vowels have a consonant between them? Meaning a consonant, only one. So if there is a consonant between the two vowels, ask the last question. Is the second vowel the letter E at the end of the word or the syllable? So if you have one vowel, so if you ask yourself, do I have one vowel? And the answer is no. Ask the next question, do I have two vowels? If the answer is yes, ask yourself, do the two vowels have a consonant between them? So if the answer is no, you would stop. It would not be vowel consonant E. But if the two vowels have a consonant between them, if the answer is yes, you go on to the last question. Is the second vowel the letter E at the end of the word or syllable? So if you have one vowel, it's not a vowel consonant E. If you have two vowels, point to the vowels and ask yourself, is there a consonant between them? If the answer is yes, ask if the second vowel is the letter E. Okay, if the answer is no, if the two vowels are side by side in the word, standing next to each other, then it's not going to be a vowel consonant E. But if you have two vowels, vowel here, with a consonant in between, and the last vowel is that silent E at the end, then you probably have a vowel consonant E, or silent sneaky. So let's talk a little bit more about the silent sneaky E, or the vowel consonant E pattern. Let's take a close look at a word to see if it has this silent E pattern. Okay, get your magic finger out. Actually, fingers. Because I'm going to tell you, point to the vowel or vowels. Remember, the consonants are blue, the vowels are red. Pointing to the vowels, they're the red ones. Okay, let's ask ourselves the first question. Do I have one vowel? No, you should be pointing here and here, kind of like your fingers are in the shape of a V. We have an O and an E. So no, I do not have one vowel. So let's go to the next question. Do I have two vowels? 1, 2. Yes. If the answer is yes, do the two vowels have a consonant between them? What do you think, boys and girls? Does the O and the E have a consonant in between? Yes, it does. It has a P. So the answer is yes. Last question. Is the second vowel the letter E at the end of the word or the syllable? Yes, you see it. The answer is yes. We have a vowel consonant E. So yes, this word is an example of a vowel consonant E. Now, I'm going to tell you how we know it's a long sound. When you see the pattern vowel, which could be A, E, I, O, or U, followed by a consonant, followed by the silent E, the E is silent, which means it's quiet. It doesn't make a sound. Zero talking, zero noise. So we don't say anything. If we're tapping out the sounds to sound out or break apart the word, we don't sound out this letter at all. It doesn't say anything. It's silent. It's silent E. It's magic E. The only reason it's there is to jump over this consonant and attack the vowel. Say your name, vowel, making it say its long vowel sound, its name. Oh! So the O is going to say the long sound. Oh! Say it with me. Oh! And the E says, that's right. It says nothing because it's silent. So this word is going to be rope. Watch it again. Oh. Rope. What's the word? Rope. So rope is a silent E because it has vowel, consonant, silent E. Say that again. Vowel, consonant, silent E, which means it's a long vowel sound. Vowel, consonant, E syllable. So let's try to sort these words and syllables into closed, open, or none. Sorry about that. We're not sorting under closed, open, or none. I meant closed, silent E, or none. Let's try that again. The vowel, consonant, E syllable. So let's try to sort these words and syllables into closed, silent E, or vowel, consonant, E. Or if they don't go under closed or silent E, we're going to put them under none. So if you want to pause the video, grab something to write with, a whiteboard, a piece of paper at home, please feel free. If not, make sure you're participating. Get your magic finger ready. And you're going to help me read and sort some syllables into the correct category. So if you could visualize a three-way sort, it's going to be, the words are going to go either under closed, which will be one group, silent E, or the vowel consonant E, or none if they don't fit under either. Okay, decide what you think for each. And then when you're ready, hit play and check with me. Okay, the first one. If you point to the vowel or vowels, do I have one vowel? No, I have two. Is there a consonant in between? Yes. Silent E at the end? Yes. Do I have a vowel consonant E pattern? Yes. So my vowel sound is long, so it says A, and the word is? If you said bake, kiss your brain. So bake is vowel consonant E. What about the next one? This is my. It's a sight word you probably know. Is it closed? No. Is it silent E? No. So this one goes under none. Point to the vowel or vowels in the next one. What did you say for this one? Is it closed, silent E, or none? If you point to the vowels, you have two vowels, but there's no consonant in between them. So it's not a vowel consonant E. Can it be closed? No. So if it's not closed and it's not silent E, it goes under none. So let's review. We have silent E, bake. My is none. Do you know this word? It's C. It's a sight word. It goes under none. How about this one? Point to the vowel or vowels. Do I have one vowel? Yes. Is it followed by one or more consonants? Yes. It's followed by N. Is it closed? Silent E? Or none? If you said closed, kiss your brain. So closed equals short. What does short you say? And the word is fun. So we have silent E, none, none, closed. How about this one? What do you think? It is closed because we have the S's that are closing in the I, and the word is kiss. So kiss is closed. What did you say for the next one? If you said silent E, that's what I said, because we have vowel, consonant, E. So the A is going to make the long sound. Make it with me. A. And the word is cave. Blend it. Cave. Good. What did you say for this one? Is it closed? Silent E? Or none? If you said silent E, give yourself a clap. I think you might be correct. What is this word? Like. Last one. Do I have one vowel? No, I have two. Is there a consonant in between? No. So is it silent E? Nope. Closed? Nope. Oops. So it goes under none. So none, silent E, closed, closed, none, none, and we said silent E. Let's see how we did on our sort. Closed, fun, and kiss. So far, so good. Silent E, bake, cave, like, and the rest were under none.